Welcome to Monday's Financial News Review powered by Centefx, a multi-regulated Forex broker. Stay tuned as we bring you the latest market news and insights.
Nvidia's stock price rose 4.3% last Friday, closing at $111.01, driven by strong investor confidence, which boosted sentiment across the tech sector. The French stock market index traded above 7,500 euros on Monday, extending its gains for a fourth consecutive session, as positive corporate results and renewed optimism over US-China trade relations bolstered sentiment. Gasoline futures in the U.S. fell to around $2.11 per gallon, amid the outlook of increased feedstock supply for major refiners and downside risks to demand for the top energy consumer. The Canadian dollar weakened toward $1.39, easing from a six-month high, as it came under pressure from a resurgent U.S. dollar buoyed by President Trump and his hints of tariff relief on China. Ether traded at around $1,800 this Monday, decreasing by 0.5% in the last 24 hours. Looking back, over the last 4 weeks, Ether lost 3.1%. Now let's review the major economic events of the day. At 10 a.m., the UK to release the distributive trades for April, following -41 in March. At 12 p.m., the unemployment rate in Mexico is expected to increase, after reaching 2.5% in February. At 2:30 p.m., the U.S. will release figures for the Dallas Manufacturing Index of April, following -16.3 in March. Tomorrow's major economic events. At 6 a.m., Germany to release the Consumer Confidence Index for May, following -24.5 in April. At 7 a.m., the gross domestic product growth rate in Spain is expected to decrease, after reaching 0.8% in the fourth quarter of 2024. At 2 p.m., the U.S. will release figures for the number of job openings of March, following 7,568,000 in February.
And that's it for today's Market News Roundup, presented by Centefx. Thanks for joining us today, and be sure to tune in again tomorrow for more financial news. We wish you a productive trading week.